Hey folks, it's Abel. We're here at Dinosaur National Monument. Wanted to point out something pretty cool. What I'm sitting on right now is many millions of years old, and we're looking at fossilized clams and all sorts of sea life, because this part of the country, we're in Utah, used to be under the ocean. And that's one of the reasons that we have such wonderful dinosaur fossils here, is they've all been squished and combined with different minerals of the earth over millions of years. So now, right here, you see this fossilized, incredibly beautiful, gigantic bone of a dinosaur. I'm touching it right now and it feels pretty cool. I think it's giving me superpowers. What do you think, Allison?
It's definitely giving you superpowers. You're going to be able to eat a large amount of food.
Or stave off predators with my tail spikes or something like that.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Ghost Stegosaurus. Man, these are so cool. Let's get a little closer. That is a big old bone.
Mm-hmm.
That bone is bigger than my torso. Also, the view ain't bad either.